Oh, my magazine is a great love, but I forgot the laundry. Let's do the laundry. Oh, yes, this is dirty. And this. Oh, this one as well. My pink dress. My red dress. My white and pink dress. Oh, I'll need detergent. Here we go. Oh, wow, what a mess I made. Messy mess. Oopsie, what a mess. I better get the Hoover. Oh boy, I got hot. Oh, that's better. Now let's start the washing machine. Good job. Ooh, I have to wait now. Ooh, how about a Barbie TV to watch while I wait?
Ken was also counting down the same alley. What a beautiful girl. Hey, Barbie. Hi, Kenny. Good to see you here. Barbie, you are beautiful. I love you, Barbie. Will you marry me?
Oh my goodness!
These are wonderful flowers.
It's a love story.
Yes, I will marry you, Kenny.
Oh, I love it. Barbie's always lucky girl. Oh, she has a beautiful dress. Yeah, Barbies always are great.
Take her blood count for your husband for good. Yes, I will. Now you will kiss the bride.
Oh, it's a great show, but I have to iron now. Okay, let's see if the dryer is ready. Oh, sparkling clean. Now let's iron it. Oh, I did a great job. Now it's time to go to the grocery store. Supermarket shopping.